Hello, today we're gonna see how to integrate views concept to this project. So as you can see, we have already integrated the routing system and the controllers concept. So as you can see, our controller is returning some plain string, which is not ideal because we have to return some HTML at some point. So to achieve that, we're gonna need a views concept. So let's integrate this. So first let's create a view class in config folder. So views.php. so this class will be handling the view. So this class will have namespace of app/configs and class views equals to. So what we are going to achieve is, so we are gonna do something like this. So we are gonna call something called views, then we're gonna call method like make or make, then we gonna have home view and we're gonna pass some values to the view. So in this case, let's pass name and let's pass this name John. Okay. So let's pass this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like this. So when we call this make function, and it kinda make our view and return it so as a string. So let's cast it to string. So when we return this, it finds a view called home.php in here and will return the value. So let's create the home.php file, home.php. Okay, good. And where it is, this is. So let's create an HTML. So home, in h1 body and h1. So let's output name equals to the input name. So as you can see, we are referring this as variable, so we're gonna see how to do that, and let's get started. So in views class, okay, as you can see in this, we are using views. So in this, what you're gonna do is, first we're gonna make a make function. So public static, as you can see, it's a static function. So static function of make. Oh my god, make. So this function will accept a string of view paths, view name, or actually view name, then another demo, what we gonna accept a parameters in default, which will have this default value of none. Okay, this function returns itself, which means this class. So an instance, so return new static of what, a view name in params. So let's quickly create that constructor. Public function construct rect what we are going to use, what, the PHP 8 point something, yeah, 8 functionality. So private, yeah, just like this. So what we are going to do is, when we call like this, it automatically have to render it. So we have to call, or we have to make the render method. Let's go make it public function render. Okay, this will return a string. And so first thing we have to do is, in this we are given what, the view name. So we have to find the view path. So view path, so the view path will be in here. So to have consistency, let's define the view path, and view path, this will be in views folder, yeah. Okay, so let's grab this real quick and put it in here. And this, what, view name, so concatenated with .php file. So we get the full path of the view. So let's check it if it is exists or not. So if file exists in here, view path, if file exists we continue, if not we throw an exception. So throw an exception, custom exception, which is route not found, view not found exception, right? Yeah, view not found. So let's create that exception real quick. Public static function view not found will be this, right? And this will be view not found exception. Okay, so view not found. So let's, if we have the view, let's render that. So first we have to start buffering, which means it collect and put it somewhere in the buffer area. And so then we will include our file, which is the view path, right? Path. Then after including all the files or the characters in the view path and resolving it, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it, and after getting it we're gonna clean the buffer. So actually this function will return us the value of the buffer. So return object, so let's cast it to string, and so we have rendered. So as you can see in here, we are calling like a string this. So if we call it like this, render, it works, right? But it's a little bit messy. So what we will do is gonna create a toString method, which is invoked automatically when we toString, when we call the class like a string, so return this rendered, yeah, just like this. Okay, this will return a string, and I think we have done. So, and here we have to see our server is running, I think so. So let's, oh my god, it's not working. So let's see, let's debug why it is not working. Okay, view pause, a public view. So views, it returns per params. Okay, what we are forgetting is we are accepting in here an array, and we have to convert this to what, to variable. So for each array, yeah, right, for each these params, so as dollar params and value, right? So let's make it these params as what, as variable. So take this param value and make it variable, then equals to and value. So this simple fix, we are, oh my god, still we are having some, okay, we are cleaning, we are making toString. Okay, we are calling the custom exception and we are not using it, so let's use it. Use up slash what exceptions, I mean exceptions, then custom exception, and one thing, let's declare our strict types equals to 1, I mean, okay, then reload it. Oh my god, still we are having an error, so we are doing it a correct way, I think so, right? If not like this, we are returning, and now we start obligate clean exception. We have view not found exception, I think so, right? And this will static, yeah. So in index.php we have our views path, in home.php we have the name and the views, right? Configure views and make it John Doe any home. Okay, let's, oh my god, views make home and this, okay, make, yeah, function make these params and view name, right? And view name and view path, okay, custom exception. Okay, what we are missing here, let's say it's okay. Okay, we are using the same variable name, yeah, now it should work. Oh my god, still we have another add, yeah, okay. Our server is running. What is this? I think it is self. Yeah, we managed to get it work. So let's see output. Nice. So this is how it is done. So we successfully integrated our view. So thanks.